Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about some big money stuffed animals, and I'm about to knock your socks off. So, in my Bolo buddies Facebook group, you guys know how I have the plush share post. Well, one of the gals shared a couple of her bolos, and she said that the Douglas Cuddle stuffed animals, the Cuddle toys, went viral on TikTok apparently. And I just did a Google search. I'm like, did Douglas Cuddle Toys go viral on TikTok? And it said yes. Now, I don't watch TikTok, so I didn't go to TikTok and confirm anything. So I don't know if just a bunch of people are posting about these things or what is going on, but the prices are skyrocketing. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This one right here, it says $1,600, best offer accepted. This one is a snow leopard. Okay. Look how stinking cute it is. But $1,600, what? So if you want to see what the best offer accepted was, you go over to the research tab right here and you put in, just copy and paste the title, and it'll tell you right here what it sold for. It ended up selling for $850, which still isn't bad for a stuffed animal, right? The next one that is hot right now is this one right here. I think it's a wolf. It doesn't say. Its name is Tyson. Let's look at the tag, guys. One thing to do, you see how they're showing the eyes? Collectors like to see the eyes because the eyes can get scratched. So that's why they were doing that. This one says pink tag. So maybe the pink tag is important. I'm not really sure, but that's what the tag looks like, okay? This one is I don't know. I thought they had a name on it, but I don't see a name on this one. So $1,124.99. Now, I don't know if I'm assuming the buyer paid on that. So let's look at the next one. Douglas Cuddle Toys. This is a collie. This one auction $1,022. Again, it's got the pink cuddle toys. So I guess that's what we're looking for. Clean nose. Check it out. Laying on a bed. A lot of people will put these on couches. They do that to make them look more realistic, more lifelike. Realistic is a great keyword for the title. This one is, it looks like it was reserved for somebody. It's a German Shepherd, sold for $700. Look how stinking cute that is. Oh my goodness. This one is a wolf, another wolf. So this one, the wolf seems to be really, really trending right now. Does anybody know which TikTok video, which animal it was, or if it's just multiple animals and people are just kind of jumping on for that? But as resellers, you guys definitely want to be looking for this one's different. That's a different tag, but it's still sold for big money. I did not look. Let's see if we can go look this one up under the research tab and see if we can pull up the sold price. So I'm just going to delete this here and we're going to paste and hit research, and it went for 530. So that's a really useful tool, guys, if you want to know what the actual selling price was. Another wolf, 629. Another wolf, 625. This one is a cat, tuxedo cat, 595 on this one. And it has the tag that looks like that. This one is a husky, 550. Can you believe it, you guys? 28 inches on this. They look real, right? Okay, they look pretty real. Real for a stuffed animal. Look at this one. It's a Wheaton Terrier. Look at that little face. Oh my goodness. You got to admit they're kind of cute, right? And that one sold for 500. We got the little Dalmatian dog. His name is Squirt. He's been well loved. Oh my goodness. 2008. And he's not very big, only 14 inches. Oh, it says 16. This is one from my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. It is the black cat plush stuffed cuddle toy long hair. And she sold this one for $449. You know what? That one back here, this one is hers too. I don't think this is the one she sold in my shared in my Facebook group. Let me put this one in and see if it actually, she may have sold this one later or earlier. I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, this is the other one. She took an offer of $544 on this one. And I think this might have been the one that she bought on Whatnot, that she paid up for it. She either paid, was it $68 or $78 on Whatnot? and then brought it over to eBay. So yeah, I think this might have been it because I think it was in the $500 range. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, you guys can definitely source on Whatnot. A lot of people sell stuffed animals over there. So definitely check out Whatnot if you haven't. I'm Bolo Buddies over there. I sell mostly jewelry, but I do have a referral link down below where you can get $15 to shop if you're a new buyer. So if you guys are looking for stuffed animals, they are definitely being sold on Whatnot. This is a Douglas Luna Cuddle Toys cat. This one, best offer was taken on $450. I'm not going to go look it up. Probably in the $300 range, maybe $400 for that one. This one is a Douglas Cuddle Toy Australian cattle dog. Looks like it sold for $378. There it is. That one's different, right? I don't know. I don't even know if I've ever seen a dog like that. Retired Douglas Cuddle Toys Curly White Cocker Spaniel, $380. Look at that little face. These are so stinking adorable, right? Douglas Cuddle Dog Puppy Hunter Pointer Setter, $350. Oh, look at that face. $350 on that one. Wow. Oh, look at this one. It's a Pomsky plush Pomeranian Husky. Oh, that one is so cute. People love finding things that look like their dogs, right? 350. Dogs and cats. They seem to be trending, but that wolf is up there. Here's another cat. Gatto. This one sold for $350. Again, showing the eyes. This one right here is another one, $349. Same one. This one is a Portuguese water dog, missing tags. So it doesn't even have the tush tag. It looks like it was cut off. So probably identified it with a Google Lens. If you guys don't know how to use Google Lens, I do have a tutorial on how to use that. It's a great tool, and it's free. Here's another Cocker Spaniel, $315. I love the cute little face. This one's not very big. 10, 11 inches. Cute. This one here is a pointer puppy plush. So stinking adorable. Not very big. Douglas the Cuddle Toy. Pretty cool, right? I'm wondering if I have any of these. I have mountains of plush that I need to list. All right, so this is where I stopped. I just want to show you how many more are still in the $300, $200 range. Look at all this. Husky, husky, husky. Howling wolf. Another wolf, another wolf. Look at it, another Dalmatian. This one's a Brittany Spaniel. Look at them all, guys. $250, $250. All these. Look at that. Is it crazy? It's crazy, right? Collie. Another cattle dog. Olive dog. I've never heard of that. Oh, look at that. Great Dane. Wow, I'm surprised that didn't go for more. Kenzie. What do you guys think? Unicorn. That one went for 50, but they had the shipping at 159. Wow. Must be really big. Oh, look at that. A dachshund, 200. They're so cute, aren't they? What do you guys think? Would you pay that much for a stuffed animal? All right, you guys can check out some of my other category videos. I've got lots of them where I talk about some or other stuffed animals. I do jewelry ones. If you go to my playlist, category videos, you can check those out. But I just wanted to share this with you because if you're a reseller, these are definitely items you need to be looking for right now. All right, you guys, let me know what you think about that. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Yeah, check out another video. Thanks for watching.